Hello everyone, my name is Kirthi, and in this video I will introduce the Federal Building Code, known in Germany as the BauGB. This law forms the central foundation of urban planning in Germany. It regulates how cities grow, how land can be used, and ensures that development is orderly, safe, and sustainable. The Federal Building Code is a national law that sets rules for how land should be planned, developed, and used. It gives municipalities the legal framework to create land use plans, approve construction, and protect public interests. The main goals of BauGB include guiding sustainable urban development, protecting public interests, balancing private and public rights, ensuring democratic participation, environmental protection requirements. The BauGB uses two major planning instruments. The Land Use Plan, Flächennutzungsplan, shows how land should be used in the future, for example, residential, commercial, green spaces. The Development Plan, Bebauungsplan or B-Plan, provides legally binding rules such as building height, number of floors, distances, green areas, and traffic access. Together, these instruments guide all building activity. This plan shows the overall development strategy of a municipality. It is not legally binding for citizens, only for authorities. Think of it as the big picture plan, binding development plan, Bebauungsplan B-Plan. This is legally binding for everyone, authorities and citizens. It determines exactly if you want to construct a building, the B-Plan decides what is allowed. BauGB regulates several procedures. 1. Urban land use planning process. Municipalities follow steps like planning draft, public announcement, public participation, and the final approval then comes. 2. Environmental impact assessment, where before the development, impacts must be evaluated. 3. Expropriation rules. The land can only be taken for public benefit, for example roads, and the owner must be compensated. The last is the land readjustment. If many small land parcels exist, BauGB allows rearranging them for proper development. For example, a small town in Hesse wants to allow a new supermarket because residents need better access to groceries. The land is currently shown as agricultural in the FNP. The town must update the FNP to mark the area as commercial use. The municipality prepares a B plan to regulate exactly how the supermarket may be built. Maximum building height, example, 9 meters, allowed building footprint, number of parking spaces, bicycle parking requirement, delivery truck access routes, noise protection towards nearby houses, and then residents are informed and can give feedback. For example, to increase pedestrian safety, to reduce delivery hours to avoid noise. The municipality must consider these comments before final approval. After the B plan is approved, the supermarket chain can apply for a building permit. Only the design and layout allowed in the B plan can be built. Construction begins. This example shows how BauGB can controls land use, protects residents from noise, traffic, safety, ensures sustainable planning, requires public participation, and balances economic development with community interests. These are the sources for this presentation. Thank you for watching.